This is the moment the earthquake struck. You can hear the terror of those in this building. The result was huge damage in the densely populated Kathmandu Valley in Nepal, leaving rescuers digging desperately with their hands. The earthquake sent thousands of people fleeing for relative safety away from damaged buildings. The injured were treated outside hospitals, which have been inundated with casualties. Earthquakes of this high 7.9 magnitude are rare. This is the worst to hit this Himalayan nation in over 80 years. So far, more than 100 fatalities have been reported, but observers on the ground say that figure is likely to rise significantly.
Damage is massive. The people in the capital, people in other cities have come out on the ground, in the open field, in large masses. I do not know how many people have suffered injuries, but we're trying to get the first information from various sources.
Several buildings collapsed in the centre of the capital, the ancient old Kathmandu, including this, the Darara Tower. It was reduced to a stump, and there are reports of people trapped underneath. These extraordinary pictures have emerged too, of what looks like a statue being recovered. But this is a man buried alive and pulled to safety. Many others haven't been so lucky. On Everest, climbers were sent running for their lives from base camp as the quake shook them from their tents and triggered avalanches. At this time of year, many climbers are on the mountain. Experts say the earthquake was geologically very shallow, meaning greater damage. Danny Savage, BBC News.